Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Seven of Cups, Three of Cups, and the Moon. So, Virgos, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are someone who is having a lot of dreams and goals, fantasies, maybe for this love, or dreams, aspirations for your work situation, and you are working towards that. You are thinking about that, reflecting about your dreams and goals, and maybe sometimes these dreams and fantasies are not enough, guys. You need to work towards that, work towards your goals. You need to put in lot of efforts. And I also see that in your situation today, guys, you are also celebrating. So all your dreams and goals are coming true, maybe, guys, for some of you. I see that whatever you planned for, maybe in your work or in your relationship, whatever you are wishing for, all that is coming true. And in your heart of hearts, you have some kind of an intuition or an instinct guiding you towards certain things, guys. Maybe you may have some confusions or doubts, but when you are making some decision or when you are thinking about something, something tells you what is the right thing to do. In your heart of hearts, you just know the right thing to do. So that may be your intuition, guys. So you have to maybe you may still feel really confused, but you need to understand that if you go with your intuition, if you trust your intuition, things are going to go in a right way for you. So let it be in your work situation or in your relationship, whatever your intuition tells you, that is going to be the right thing for you to do, guys, today, Virgos. So you need to trust your intuition, and your intuition is going to give you an important guidance today, and you are simply going to be really happy having followed that intuition. And I see celebration, party, maybe you are celebrating with this person you love or celebrating with friends and family. So some kind of a positive progress in your situation, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your general energies. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card here. That is your first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. The Tinderbox Soldier. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you in your situation today, you have a lot of things going on in your mind and you need to make a choice, a wise choice. But the choices you make are going to affect someone in your life. So someone close to you, and that is the reason you are thinking. And if this harsh choice is necessary today for you, and what is the way you are going to benefit, or how it is going to affect the other person, and can you live with that choice? So that is what is worrying you today. And maybe the actions we do, we may feel that we are not punished for whatever wrongs or whatever mistakes that we do. We are living happily, but we need to understand that we ourselves know that we have done something wrong in our life. So that is there in our situation. And is it worthwhile to sacrifice our ethics just for some kind of momentary happiness? And can we live with that? Can we live with such sacrifices, sacrificing our own ethics and ideals and beliefs, whatever we stand for, the good things we have in our heart? So is this choice worth it, worth giving up all those just for that momentary happiness or joy? So in your situation today, guys, you need to understand that, is your ambition getting over you? Is it holding that power over you to decide or make ruthless choices? So you need to think it out clearly, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So in your situation, you are making some harsh decisions for yourself, and it is really painful for you. But you need to understand that you can live, you can do things in a much simpler way if you give up your ambitious attitude, guys, in life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Greet the Dawn. So it not only means a new beginning and fresh start in life, it just means that each and every day is a new opportunity to start fresh. So whatever happened yesterday, today we are getting a chance to do things differently. So the light of a new day is an invitation to shine more brightly with love and beauty onto the world. So it may touch others and warm their day. So you don't have to take on the world, you don't have to strive hard. You just have to do your best and do not force things to happen. So the more you force things, there are going to be a lot of conflicts you are going to face today, guys. So you just need to allow your day to unfold as it is, and have that sense of acceptance and gratitude for whatever gifts or challenges each and every day brings in our life. So that is what our attitude should be. The way we welcome each day with happiness, with that open arms, welcoming all those challenges and the joy it brings with that happiness and gratitude. So when we do that, things will change for the better, guys. Our positive attitude is going to change the way things are going in our life, and it is what this card is about. That positive attitude we need to have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.